There is an invisible boundary that surrounds us all. We yearn to experience something new and explore the unknown. I'm a freediver with William, the world record holder for freediving, and my Redmi Note 9. I want to dare to discover how deep my boundary lies. This blue hole is gorgeous. The sea is like a monster, with its jaws wide open. Helplessness and fear wash over me.
The challenge I face is not just physical. I need to mentally prepare myself to go further than ever before. The last few days, I've been training as hard as I can. Trying, but failing. However, William keeps reminding me, the challenge doesn't have to restrain you, and overcoming it allows you to feel truly free. In one moment, I finally realize the sea is no longer my enemy. Some live for the challenge, and they know no boundaries. Somewhere amid the darkness, you can always find the light.